The chapter name is patrons. Okay, in this chapter we are going to discuss finding the next term, next figure in the number pattern figure. Okay, finding the missing term figure in the number pattern figure pattern. Okay, so let's start with questions. Question 1 for direction 1 to 15, that find the missing next number. Okay, so let's check. 24, 32. Look at this number 24 and 32. Here I have added 8, then it get 32. 32 to 40, 32 say 40, that is again I am adding 8, then it will get 40. So in this type of question you have to decide that next number how it come. Okay, and after that usse next number how it come. So this will be show you a pattern of coming one by one number. Then you can get that pattern and you can find the number. Like this is 8 plus 8, 40 plus 8, 48. Then again here should be 8. Okay, so 48 plus 8, 54, and 54 plus 8, sorry 56, not 54, and 56 plus 8, that is 64. So this is pattern. You can see that this is a pattern. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, and the number missing is, that is 56. C is the right answer here. Okay, second question is 40 and 35. You can see that here 40 and next is 35. So it means when we it is minus 5. Okay, again we can see that 35, then 30, it means again minus 5. So this number we have subtract 5 and minus 5, and then we get this number. So it means again we will use same pattern. Then minus 5, 30 minus 5 is 25, and then again 25 minus 5 is 20, and 20 minus 5 is 15. So it means this pattern is fulfilled with minus 5. So here 25 is the missing number. B is right answer. Next is 9, 10, 12, 15, 19. What is this? 9 plus 1 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. It means number pattern is like this: plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, then it will be plus 4, 15 plus 4, 19. Then again next year will be 15 plus 19 plus 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, and then next term is plus 5. So 19 plus 5 is 24. So missing number is 24. C is the right answer here. Next is 242, 252, 262, 272. Look at the number. This 2 and this 2 and this is 4. Okay, and again this 2 and this 2 and this is 5. Again this 2 and this 2, but this is 6. So middle number 10's position number is changing 1 by 1 plus 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then next pattern should be 2 and 2, and next number will be 8. And here next one is 9. So it means the pattern is like this: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on 10th place. So here number will be 282. Where is 282? Option A is right answer here. नेक्स्ट इज 92, 90. देखो 92 से 90 आने में माइनस 2. देन लेट्स चेक दिस पैटर्न ऑल्सो. 86, 84 minus 2, and 84, 82 minus 2. Then we get 82. It means the pattern is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So here we will take minus 2. So 90 minus 2 is 88. And then you can see that here 88 minus 86 is minus 2 again. So the pattern is minus 2, and number we get is 88. D is right answer here. Next is dash 115, 157, 199, 241 and 283. What is this? Okay, how they are changing. So let's check. देखो 115 or 157. So this is increasing by which number? How we can get that? 157 minus 115. Then what we will get? 7 minus 5, 2, and 4 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 42 here. Okay, difference. Now here find the difference. 199 or 157. We subtract it because this is bigger number. Na? That's why I am showing you the subtraction. Okay. Now subtract 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. Again it is 42 difference. So let's check again. 241 minus 199. So here carrying 1, that is 11 minus 9, 2, and here 3 left. So here 1 again carry. 13 minus 9 again 4. So here 1 is left. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is again 42. Difference It means they are carrying 42 and 42 difference. Here 241 add with 242, then what we will get? 38283. Well, you can see that I have added here 42 again. So 42 is the pattern. It means here, but how I can find this number? जैसे ही मैंने इसको इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, it means the number is coming like this. This 23 minus 42, minus 42 again. This is minus 42 again. This is minus 42 again. Here I will also do minus 42 because number is the missing number is in starting. That's why I am starting the calculation from the end. Okay. So here number will be 115 minus 42. Then 5 minus 2 3. 11 minus 4 7. So number is 73. B is the right answer here. Okay. Next is 135 140 145 150. So here first 100 digit is same 1 1 1 1 1. So here will be also 1. Second digit is 3. देखो 35 40 45 50 55. It means they are increasing by 5 plus 5. 35 plus 5 40. 40 plus 5 45. 45 plus 5 50. 50 plus 5 55. And 55 plus 5 is 60. So here 160 is the number. C is right answer here. Next is 158 155. So here 158 to 155 when we go, it means we will subtract minus 3. Then we get 155. If you can't calculate like this, then you should, if the number is bigger with another number, then we will subtract, okay, from bigger to smaller number. Then we will get the difference. So 158 minus 155, that is 3 difference. Again, so here it is 3. Next will be also minus 3. Here will be also minus 3. And here will be, let's check, 140 minus 143 is 146. And 146 minus 3 is 143. This is absolutely right. It means there will be also minus 3. There will be also minus 3. So 150 minus 3 is 152. And 152 minus 3 is 149. So it means the number is 152. Pattern is right. C is right answer. Next is 82, 88, 94. Look, 82, 88. If I am adding 82 plus 6, then we get 88. So here it is plus 6. 88 plus 94. If I am adding 88 plus 6, then I will get 94. 8 plus 6, 14. This is 94. So it is also plus 6. 94 plus 6 is 100. And 100 plus 6 is 106. And 106 plus 6 is 112. So this is 106 is the right number here. Question 10 is 525, 550. So here 525 plus 25 is 550. How you can get? You will subtract bigger digit and smaller digit. So what is this? 10 minus 5? 5, and here it is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is 25. Okay. Here 25 difference. So here again check. 50 plus 25 is 575. Then 575 plus 25 600. 600 plus 25 is 625. Then again here plus 25 is 650. Okay, so 650 is the right number here. Next is 114, 124, 144. Look, here in all 100 place there is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and all ones place is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So changing digit is only 10th place. So 10th place is 1, 2, 2, 4, 5. देखो 1 here difference is 1. Here difference is 2. First plus 1, then plus 2. Again plus 1, it means again will be plus 2 here. And again here will be again plus 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So 174. And 70, when we added 7 plus 1, then it is 184. It means pattern is right. Okay, we are adding 1 plus 1, 2. Only 10th place digit we are taking. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 plus 2, 7. And 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so 174 is the right answer here. Next is 148, 138, 129, 121 and 114. So how will be the pattern? Let's check 148 and 138. Okay, let's subtract 148 minus 138, that is 10. Here difference is 10 minus 10, sorry. Now 138 to 129. Let's again check 138 minus 129, that is 8 minus 9 and 2 here left, then 2 0 0. So here difference is 9. Again 120 minus 129, 121, that is 9 minus 1, 8. This is 0, 0. So this difference is 8. So here 10, 9, 8, it means it will be 7 and it will be 6. Okay. So 114 minus 6 is 114 minus 6 is 14 minus 6, 8. Okay. So, sorry, 1. Here it will be 0 carry, 0 left, and here it is 1. So 108. So 108 is the right number here. B is right answer. Next is 600, 603, 607, 610. Look, 600 to 603, it means plus 3. 603 to 607, it means plus 4. 67 to 610, it means plus 3. 610 to 614, that is again plus 4. So plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. So now the term is plus 3. So 614 plus 3 is 617. So 617 is the right answer here. Okay. 13D. Next question is 166, 165. Here minus 1. 165, 164, again minus 1. So here 162, 161, again here is minus 1. So let's take minus 1 again. So minus 1 here, 164, minus 1, 163, and 163 minus 1 is 162 here. So it means 163 is the right number. So A is the right answer here. Next is 94, 194, 294, 394, 494. So look, 94, 94 is always constant. The digit changing is here 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4, then here will be 5. 94 is all over constant, so we will take 94 again. So 594 is the right answer here. Next is find the missing next figure to continue the given figure pattern. Now it is question for 16 to 30 is figure pattern. Here you can see bowl, here is kite, here is doll, and here is car. So pattern is stop here because again bowl is started now. Okay. And doll or kite you can see that. So which one is missing here? That kite is missing here. Okay. Kite will be here. So kite is the right answer. Next is triangle, diamond shape. Then opposite side triangle. Then again diamond shape. Then again opposite side. Dekho. This triangle and this triangle is same. And this triangle direction is opposite. So once diamond is always remain same. So one triangle is straight. If I am taking that is the triangle. So, and this is opposite triangle. Then again triangle. This is opposite triangle term now. Okay. You can see the pattern like this. So what will be the answer here or this or this? This will be the answer because now the term is of opposite triangle. Okay. A is right answer. Next is green circle, pink circle, green circle, pink circle, green circle, pink circle. So now the term is for small green circle or big green circle. Here green circle are small but pink circle are big. Here in both of them, which one is smaller circle? D is the smaller circle. Okay. And here green is smaller circle but pink is bigger circle. So what we will do? We will take smaller green circle, not bigger one. Okay. So here 18 number is D right answer. Okay. Next is देखो rectangle, circle, then again the green rectangle, then red triangle, then देखो pattern is here stopped because again now repeating here rectangle. So rectangle, circle, square, triangle. Here rectangle, then what will be again after that? That is circle, yellow circle. Then again square, triangle. Then again rectangle, circle, square, triangle. So it means here circle is missing. Yellow. A is right answer here. Next is rose, sunflower, lily. This is the pair. Okay. This is the pair and this is the group. Then again I start rose, sunflower, lily. Now the term is again for rose, sunflower, lily here but not rose is here. So we will take red rose here. Okay. A is right answer. Next is this pattern C. देखो 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Then here will be 4 step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. This is the pattern like this now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which one is right? This is 4 step will be right. C is right answer. Next is look at the pattern. Here square inside, outside square and outside square. So 3 square inside outside. Here 3 circle inside outside. then again 3 square outside inside, then again 3 circle inside outside, then again 3 square inside outside. Then what is the term here? Here will be circle, 3 circle inside outside. Okay, because 3 circle pattern is here, so D is right answer, not B. Okay, so D is right answer. Next is group of birds: peacock, pigeon, parrot, and this is sparrow, this is crow. Okay, this is the pattern here. Okay, now again peacock start, after peacock there is pigeon, and after pigeon there is parrot. You can see that. So after pigeon here will be parrot come. Okay, so B is the right answer. Next is, this is in square 1 circle, in square 2 circle, in square 3 circle. So pattern is here. Again in square 1 circle, in square 2 circle, in square 3 circle, third second group. Here again 1 circle, 2 circle, then third will be 3 circle, 3 circle, 1, 2 and 3. So which is this one? No, they are shape is in this slanting shape. Okay, not this is also wrong because they are like this. Okay, this is right to left there. This shape is the dots of the circle, not this shape. Okay, so this one is wrong, 1 is wrong, and 3, this is the horizontal line, this is also wrong because they are slanting line from this right to left. Okay, so A is the right answer. Next is pencil eraser notebook. Again pencil eraser notebook pen, again pencil eraser notebook pen. So what will be next? Pencil again here. Okay, here will be pencil again. Got it? So which is pencil? A is right answer. Next is, look at the pattern. Here you can see rectangle, half yellow, half white. Then slanting, horizontal rectangle, half green, half white. And in third one, you can see that there is the pattern of 3. Basically, you can see that these are the squares of 2 yellow and 2 green. Okay, in between white. So this is the pattern. Again repeating the pattern, same pattern repeating here. Again same pattern repeated here. Okay, you can see that pattern is always repeating. Okay, so here what will be? Here will be again pattern will be start because here it is pattern ended. So pattern will be start, then this part and this part, and this part is yellow color. Okay, yellow. So this is the right answer here. Okay, next is cloud, sun, moon. Again cloud, sun, moon, then again will be cloud here. Okay, so cloud is the right answer. Wo bhi white cloud, not black cloud. Okay, here the white cloud is in pattern, so we will take white cloud. A is right answer. Next, heart, maple leaf. Again what should be? Heart, then maple leaf. 2 heart, 2 leaf, 2 heart. So heart will be here, 2 heart and 2 leaf. Which color heart? Not green color, red color heart is here. So C is right answer. Next is, you can see pattern again here. Dekho, in first square there is a 4, in first rectangle there is 4 rectangle, 2 is pink and 2 is blue. Here in again 2 is yellow, 2 is green. So pattern is like this, 2 group. फिर again they are repeating 2 pink, 2 blue, 2 green, 2 yellow. Same copy pattern. Now what will be the term of the pattern? Pattern will be here like this. Okay, and this will be these 2 blue and these 2 pink. Okay, so A is the right answer here. You can see that same pattern here. Last one is caterpillar, bee. This is red bee, and this is butterfly. So this is, now again the pattern is repeating. After this ladybird, red ladybird, that again is, this is butterfly term. Okay, now term is for butterfly. So here butterfly is the right answer. Okay, after ladybird there is butterfly, so butterfly is here. B is right answer. So this is the all about the patterns and figure pattern, number pattern and pictures pattern. Okay, so kids, repeat this video, learn all the questions and try to understand the pattern, what pattern is following by the question. Okay, and catch this pattern. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.